Hi, welcome to our channel.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Today we are in West Nyack, New York. We are at Rockland Lake and we're going on a bike path, doing a couple miles on the bike. Gonna see the trails. We're staying away from the city now in these terrible times, but we do hope everyone is staying safe and being as safe as they possibly can be. Just want to say that.
Time for us to get some fresh air.
Yeah, so we're just
fresh air.
Yeah, so we're just out trying to get some fresh air. We've been locked in for a while, and we just wanted to get out here and get some views and
tons of people here.
Enjoy the weather like everyone else. So I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, come with us.
Come with us. Alright, so here are our bikes. We loaded them in the back because we don't have a bike rack yet, and I'm not sure how we would set one up on here, but we'll figure that out when it comes. Setting it up. Hey guys, welcome back. We are just here in Rockland County, or Rockland State Park. We just went for about a 6-mile ride. It was freaking awesome. The views.
Cool. Although, man, I gotta practice.
Yeah.
Like I have to go bike riding more because I'm not very strong, and I think I just need to build my stamina is the thing. And the only way to build stamina is to just keep doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think. Right?
Yeah, absolutely. Like, you gotta have stamina.
I was like, woo!
Yeah. No, this felt light to me. Like, this was nothing. Like,
yeah,
I could keep going for another hour or 2 hours. As long as possible. Yeah. I've been riding for longer. Yeah, absolutely.
We're just here.
We're here. It was a really nice ride. The views are spectacular. We're looking at these cliffs here. They look so freaking dope.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Like, sounds like choppers flying by. Like, we're near a mountain. Like, we're right near a mountain that overlooks the city. Where we can see the other side over there of the Hudson River. It's really beautiful over here. I highly suggest anyone to come. We're about to go over back to the lake where we parked and show you guys. Hope you enjoy.
Lunch.
And we're gonna have lunch. See you soon.
Yay. Lunchtime.
It is lunchtime. Here we are in the park at a picnic table, getting ready for some lunch. Yeah. We need that lunch.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock. When do we eat breakfast?
I'm not sure. We woke up at
We breakfast at
8
like
a.m. today.
10.
Yeah. It is a lovely day today. Thank you. Thank you for making our lunch today, SMJ.
You're welcome. Fish crackers.
Lovely sandwich.
Oh no!
Oh, what? You forgot?
No, there's a peanut butter cup in here that
Exploded?
yeah.
Oh, no. Melted.
It's not the
So far, we've done almost 8 miles. We have ridden almost 8 miles around this park.
oh my god. This guy is playing loud profane music.
Oh, I mean, you're always you're bound to find those anywhere you go.
Here, this is our lunch.
This is our lunch.
Mmm.
It is a brioche roll with turkey meats
And chicken.
and chicken meats and cheese.
Oh my god, this is gonna be the best thing ever.
Yes. Bon appetit.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Very good. How are you feeling? How's your body feel?
My body feels fine. I feel fine. I feel kind of weak.
Yeah.
Or like I'm aware of how weak I am.
I can understand that.
Like even though I'm in shape to a certain degree, I am weak.
I am sort of used to this, but then just getting back used to it. I haven't been riding for a long time because Sam didn't have a bicycle, so I would always go on rides by myself.
Or he'll be like, "Oh yeah, I'm gonna go," and then he would never leave the house.
Yeah.
You are really hungry.
Huh?
You just ate that sandwich in like 10 seconds.
I still have more, but I did just eat like half in like 10 seconds.
Yeah, that's what I said. What's on our agenda? What's next? After this, we're going to do our grocery shopping.
I'm gonna try and get some grocery shopping in. Let's see how long.
Hopefully it's not crazy, but I don't know. It's Jersey.
Yeah.
We're like closer to the city.
Well, it's late afternoon, so hopefully it's not as crowded.
As opposed to when?
I don't know. But we are going to suburbia, so
Yeah.
that's why I'm saying like hopefully it's not as crowded because we're in suburbia.
We love going to the suburbs. Which is crazy because I grew up in the suburbs kind of for half of my childhood. And I hated it.
It's an escape, honestly. Like,
But you want to live there.
I don't know. I love the city though. That's what I'm saying.
And I know, like,
It's
that's
just
a
an escape.
conversation we always have.
Yeah, and so yeah, that's what we have. It's like,
Everyone always asks us if we're going to stay in New York City. Always. It's like a question at this stage in your life, or this age maybe, that people ask you. They're like, are you going to stay in New York? And I'm just like, I mean, I never really thought of leaving. Until you asked me the question.
I think about it sometimes, but I'm always like so hesitant. Like, sure, I want to do that. Not sure if I want to up and leave the city. The city is just so convenient. Like, things are just so convenient.
I know.
But we've also found a new liking in that
And being in the middle of nowhere.
in the middle of nowhere, yeah, like the outdoors, nature, feeling in
fresh air, you know, not surrounded by so much chaos, polluted by noise, polluted by lights, you know,
By pollution.
by pollution, cars, all types of pollution.
But I think we'll find out as we spend more time out in the suburbs.
Yeah. I think we're on the right path.
Like, vacationing there. Because not like we're going on a travel vacation anytime soon.
At all. But, you know, this is a time where we're gonna hopefully save and be mindful of our spending and truly value the time we spend together.
We're together all the time.
All the time. And quarantine, it's been like
All the
even
time,
more.
all the time. It's great. It's great. There's more great than there is, like, not great.
Anything else?
But now everything's starting to open back up.
So lockdown is over. Now we have to return to riots. We're still dealing with an epidemic.
A pandemic.
Epidemic.
Pandemic is bigger than
I know.
epidemic is more like local. Like SARS. It's more contained, I think. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna go ahead and say I'm right on that.
Okay.
The water is so pretty. Oh my god, look at that baby in the back of the bike.
Awesome.
I'm wearing a little baby helmet. Oh my god. I feel like if I was that baby, I would be so scared. But I guess if you start doing it so young, they're just used to it. I would have never trusted my dad. Also, my dad is an awful driver. And he taught me how to drive. I'm aware.